Hello dears! In the last class we have seen what are the different sex hormones and what changes these sex hormones bring into our body during adolescence. Now, we have also seen that sex hormones are released by certain glands called endocrine glands. The hormones are directly released into the blood, and through the bloodstream it reaches specific tissue or organs called the target site. The target site responds to these hormones by bringing about some changes. Let's now see some other glands: pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland and pancreas, and the hormones secreted by them. Hormones other than sex hormones. Thyroid gland secretes the hormone called thyroxine, which carry out metabolism in our body. Metabolism means the biochemical processes in the body. The production of thyroxine requires sufficient amount of iodine in our body. If iodine is not present in sufficient amount, no production of thyroxine happens, and this results in the swelling up of our neck region, leading to the disease called goiter. Pancreatic gland produces the hormone called insulin, which controls the level of glucose in our blood. Insufficient production of insulin causes diabetes. Adrenal glands secrete the hormone which help to maintain correct salt balance in the blood. Hormone called adrenaline helps the body to adjust to stress when one is very angry, embarrassed or worried. Pituitary gland, as we said earlier, is very important as it acts as the master gland which controls all the other glands and the production of their hormones. Pituitary gland also secretes the growth hormone, which is necessary for the normal growth of a person. Now let us see the role of hormones in other animals. Hope you remember that some animals goes through different phases of life, like in the life cycle of silk moth and the life cycle of frog. This change from larva to adult is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in insects is controlled by certain hormones called insect hormones. In a frog, metamorphosis is controlled by thyroxine, the hormone produced by the thyroid gland. Thyroxine production requires the presence of iodine in water. If the water in which the tadpoles are growing does not contain sufficient amount of iodine, the tadpoles cannot become adults. Now let us see the importance of good health during adolescence. To keep the body healthy, every human being at any age needs to have a balanced diet. The person must also observe personal hygiene and undertake adequate physical exercise. It is important to have a balanced diet for proper growth and development of our body. Meal and vegetables is a balanced diet. Packed or tinned snacks, though very tasty, should never replace regular meals as they do not have adequate nutritional value. Physical exercise. Walking and playing in fresh air keeps the body fit and healthy. All young boys and girls should take walks, exercise, and play outdoor games. Personal hygiene. We should all take proper bath, wear clean clothes, and wash our hands before and after a meal. These are common to all, but in girls, special care should be taken during menstruation. Always say no to drugs. Consuming alcohol, smoking, and consuming drugs can only damage our health. It does not bring any good to us.